So hi guys, so before this year end, I want to create content about what is 2023 for me. The line that will summarize my 2023 journey is, the things that's for you will always come at the right time. God's plan will always be the best plan for you. You just have to trust Him. A lot of things happened this year, starting after the adventures and travels that we have. We travel across La Union to unwind and take a break from the duties of being a reviewee. Having a big trip with your friends to have a quality time and to catch up with life. Hiking the Mount Pinatubo and appreciating the beauty of nature. These are one of the highlights of adventure that happened in 2023. But the real highlight of 2023 was the journey of taking the ECE board exam. Being a reviewee of ECE is not easy, as it is one of the hardest board exam in the Philippines. You need to double your effort and hone your skills to be able to pass the board exam. There's a lot of struggles and obstacles. But thanks to my Manila peeps, who made things easier and enjoyable. To my PJAC buddies who are my companion in this review journey, the story, moments, and laughs that we shared through the happiest and toughest times will always be cherished. To my Grand Residence / St. Jude peeps, thank you guys for the Manila moments that we have. Hoping that you guys are doing great. God and St. Jude are guiding us. But not all you want and all your plans will always be granted. I failed my first ECE board exam. I was heartbroken, discouraged, disappointed, sad. But there is one person who truly supported me and believed in me that I can do this. Maybe not this time, but there will always be a second time.
And if you're watching this video, I want to say, thank you, ate. Ikaw yung sumuporta sa akin during this review. And ikaw yung kauna-unahang taong naniwala sa akin, even though I failed my first try in ECE board exam. Through this journey, you give your full support, yung buong tiwala. And without you, siguro hindi ko ma-achieve itong mga bagay na to. And sobrang thankful ako sa iyo. You inspired me sa mga bagay na gusto kong gawin sa buhay. And masasabi ko lang talaga, sobrang thankful ako na ikaw yung naging ate ko.
During my second take, I feel sluggish and lazy because there are topics that I already know. However, I told myself I need to all in my efforts because this time I'm not doing it for myself, but to all the people that put their supports and efforts for me. And looking back at this moment, I remember one Bible verse, Isaiah 60 verse 22. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Truly, God is a masterful planner. During my board exam is also my birthday, and passing the ECE board exam is the best gift that I have received. Siguro you might be wondering ano yung nasa loob ng box na to. And this box contains the greatest thing and most memorable things sa akin noong 2023. So let's start sa first item na malaking tulong sa akin noong 2023. So yung first item is tong Outsmart the Board Exam book. Siguro malaking tulong sa akin tong book na to be able to navigate yung journey ko through the review and how to pass the board exam. Dito ko natutunan yung tamang topics na kailangan mong aralin, kung ano yung tamang strategy na gagawin mo para mas ma-maximize mo yung oras na meron ka during review. So yung book na pala na to is pinahiram sa akin ng great friend of mine, si Johanna. Shout out to Johanna, hindi ko pa rin nasasauli. And actually hindi ko pa rin naman talaga nangyayari tong book na to. And this helps me a lot through the journey of reviewing for ECE board exam. So yung next item natin is tong bracelet na binili ko sa St. Jude. So, napaka-memorable sa akin nung bracelet na to kasi ito yung suot-suot ko lagi tuwing magsisimba ako sa St. Jude, tuwing may exam kami, and tuwing may mga activities na kailangan gawin. At kumbaga ito yung battle memento ko ng during the review of the board exam. Yung item na to yung nagpapaalala sa akin na God is with me in every battles in my life during the highest and the lowest. Yung nakatawa nga kasi during board exam, tuwing may sagot akong di alam, sasabihin ko, titingin ako sa bracelet at tapos sasabihin ko, Lord, ikaw na po bahala sa exam ko. And it sounds funny but napakahalaga sa akin ng bracelet na to. So yung next item is tong Pixel Apparel shirt. So ano nga ba inspiration ko bakit sinimulan ko tong Pixel Apparel shirt? So actually, may one moment in my life na parang nakita ko yung shirt and then sobrang na-inspire ako nung shirt na yon. And yung nakalagay sa shirt na yon is Jeremiah 29:11. For all I know the plans I have for you. So sobrang na-inspire ako sa shirt na yon. So I want to create a brand or clothing line na will create a inspirational shirt. Siguro yung pangalawa is gusto ko lang ipagpatuloy yung kung ano yung nasimulan ko. Kasi during college, ako kasi yung nagde-design ng mga department shirt namin. So, why not gawin ko siya in my own terms naman na ako na mismo yung gagawa ng shirt to inspire and to put it all na in-start ko yung business na to create a shirt with statement to inspire others. So, yung next item is tong gimbal. So, isa to sa mga pangarap na gamit ko noon. And actually, nakuha ko na siya ngayon. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, I will start creating contents and videos once na nakuha ko to. And right now, I'm starting it. Isa to sa mga purchases ko na sobrang proud ako. And I want to continue kung ano tong sinisimulan ko to be able to produce more quality and inspiring videos para sa inyo. So this last item is the most important thing na nangyari sa akin this 2023. And this item is the ECT and ECE license. During this journey, napatunayan ko sa sarili ko na kung ano yung gusto ko, basta paghihirapan ko. And with God's guidance, kaya ko ma-achieve yung bagay na to. Hindi naging madali yung journey ko. I failed once. Sobrang proud ako sa sarili ko na hindi ko sinukuan kung ano yung bagay na gusto ko. With the learnings, failures, struggles, and the success that I've gained through this journey to achieve the ECE license, so much memorable to me because sobrang laki ng pinagbago ko through this journey. Kaya nga ang message ko to my younger self na kung ano man yung pagdadaanan mo, Dave, hindi magiging madali. Pero alam ko na magtitiwala ka sa kung ano man yung gusto mo. Pero magtiwala ka kay God dahil hindi ka niya papabayaan. And alam ng Diyos kung ano yung gusto mo. And ibibigay niya yon at the right time. Kailangan mo lang matuto and kailangan mo lang mahulma at the right time. God will give it to me. Thank you, God, for giving me this license na matagal ko nang pinapangarap. Ito yung mga items na nakuha ko this 2023. Memorable sa akin tong 2023. Sobrang defining year sa akin. Dito ko na-achieve yung mga bagay na kala ko hindi ko kaya. Mga bagay na sinimulan ko na di ko alam kung ano yung patutunguhan. Pero sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, ito yung year na para subukan yung mga bagay na akala mo hindi mo kaya. Pero who knows? Things might work. Basta alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo and naniniwala ka na kaya mong gawin. Basta may hard work ka and dedication with the support that you have in your environment, you can do it and you can achieve those things as long as you believe that you can do this. So 2023 has been a great year for me. Marami akong natutunan, maraming adventures na nangyari, maraming failures na nagturo sa akin sa mga mabuting paraan and sa mga milestone na na-achieve ko, sa mga new beginnings na simulan ko, Pixel Apparel, this content creation, and masasabi ko lang is thank you 2023. And the best thing is we are just starting.